Hello and welcome back to Tools for Sparks, and today I want to introduce you to this lovely little set of screwdrivers that's been sent to me by Klein Tools. Now, I have never used Klein screwdrivers before, but I have had screwdriver envy, shall we say, to other electricians because they do look nice. I love trying out different screwdrivers. As you know from my Artisan Electrics videos, you've probably seen me using the Hager screwdrivers, which I like quite a lot. I also use the Wearer screwdrivers a lot. However, I have heard good things about these Klein screwdrivers. So today I'm just going to show you me unpackaging them basically, because I always like to unpackage these and do a video while they're all brand new, and then I will go on to use these over the coming days and weeks, and I'll let you know how I get on with them. Obviously, just so you know about the Klein packaging, how it works, you've got the part numbers here on these labels. So this one, for example, is the 32262 INS. The INS is obviously stands for insulated. And basically it's a 1903, so it's a PZ1, this particular one. This one is a 2003, this is the 32228 INS, so this is a very small terminal screwdriver. Then we've got PZ2 here, and they've sent me two of those, which is quite nice. Obviously this packaging is literally just to hold it on the rack. I imagine they hang them off a shelf in the wholesalers, and they look quite nice like that, but it's kind of annoying to get it off. It's a little bit fiddly. There we go. So this is the 32263 INS, and yeah, they're all the slim screwdrivers. So as you can see, there's no kind of bezel there at all. It's very smooth and tapered. So this is the PZ with the flat bit. I can't remember what it's called now. And then this is the normal PZ2. So that part number for that, if you want to get yourself a PZ2, I'll leave a link in the description, because that's probably the most useful one as an electrician, is 32247 INS. I'll leave a link where you can get yourself one of these. They look nice. I mean, I like the colour of these. I know it's stupid, isn't it? I mean, colour, what difference does colour make? But yeah, you know, it looks nice. Everyone loves my blue Hager screwdrivers. They're always asking me, where do you get your blue screwdrivers from? Because blue is such a rare colour for screwdrivers. But orange is, you know, really nice. I like this, the orange and grey. And at first glance, they do feel really good in the hand. I like the grip. It's very ergonomic, so I'm looking forward to actually trying these, but I've got a feeling that I'm going to be quite happy with these. This one is really cool because this is the little Allen key size that you would use to undo the terminals in a cutout for an electric meter and things like that. So if you ever have to go into those, that is a handy one to have, and obviously it's 1000 volt insulated like all of these, which is very good for safety purposes. Not that we should ever be working on live installations, but belt and braces and all that. So this is, by the looks of it, what's the difference there? These two look the same actually. And on the ends, you can actually see the part number. So these are different. Very, very subtly different, as you can see from the picture, which is quite interesting. Yeah. And then this is probably the go-to terminal screwdriver for me, which I will use a lot. This is the 4mm flat screwdriver, 32243 INS. So this is obviously the 2.5mm. I've got a feeling that they sent me a big flat one as well, but I've probably already got it in the van because I needed it. So that is it in terms of the Klein screwdriver set. It's not really a set, I mean they're just lots of individual screwdrivers, but they've sent me a lovely selection. And I'm going to stick those in my tool pouch, probably take out my Wearer screwdrivers for a couple of weeks and just see how I get on using these, and then I'll give you an update at some point. But let me know in the comments if you use Klein screwdrivers or if you use another brand of screwdriver. I'd love to know your favourite screwdriver brand in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoy my videos, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Click the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos. And hit a thumbs up if you appreciate my content. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.